What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for BABA with the ticker symbol, or Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So my goal is to show you guys what the market participants are doing and where they're most likely going to take the price to next. So BABA did top out right around that 144 level. If you look at the log scale chart, that's basically where the measure move target was at. So you take the bottom to this top right here, and then you bring it to the bottom of the correction. That's exactly basically where price started finding resistance at the lower to mid 140 levels. So again, measurement target is reached, which can lead to a consolidation pattern or some profit taking. So that's why you see a correction at this level. People are taking profit. The market needs to chill out, and it looks like we're starting to break this downward, upward sloping trend line. So this was a sloping trend line, and it looks like we're starting to get below it. The correction does seem kind of small and not that extreme, so there's a good chance we do see higher prices. You want to see price stay outside of this range that it was stuck in for several years. You want to see it stay outside of this 120 level. Because a lot of times since price broke the level, it will come back to retest it for some sort of support, so maybe something like this. And then if it finds support, there's a good chance that will be a rally zone, because people who missed the boat right here, they want to get in potentially on the next one. So if price does pull back in a nice structure and it sets up properly, then they will get on with the next leg. But again, if price is really aggressive and it starts selling off, then they'll just skip any longs and potentially take a short. So it just depends on what we do around this area. Right now, it's still looking bullish because it's not dropping that harshly, but it could drop down all the way towards the EMA and that 120 level, which is the range high. So that's what I would be expecting. Generally, you don't see price rocket out from this level right here. Again, it cannot happen. Nothing's guaranteed in the market, but generally, you don't see it just rocket out from here. You usually see it pull back to the breakout zone and then rally. If the breakout is really strong, you will see it rocket out from the same level, but you would want to see maybe a little bit longer of a consolidation, maybe something like this, some type of flag pattern, and then a breakout, something like that, or even just a sideways range and then a breakout. So something like that, then price can rally off. It's generally hard for the price to have this continued momentum again. It just had a massive run up. Looks like about 80% in just a very short amount of time. So again, Baba looking still bullish, but I think it needs to cool off. That's what I'm trying to say. Looking at the weekly chart, again, this is the range pattern that I'm talking about. You don't want to see it come back in this range pattern. Then that means the uptrend most likely has been terminated, but this is still looking pretty good. If this correction does stop soon at the top side of the range, or let's just say even right now, which is unlikely, then you can combine the first two legs together and then you can make a larger measure move up. So we'll wait till that happens. But as right now, expecting a drop potentially towards that 120 level, 118 level. It's okay if we briefly go below those levels, but you don't want to see it substantially below those levels. But overall, Baba's still hanging in there, and we'll see what happens. That's all I have for Baba this week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.